Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to open a PBIX file in Power BI. I'll show you two ways. The first way is when you have Power BI actually opened up, you come to the top left and click on File, click here on Open, click on Browse this device. This will actually open up your File Explorer, and I have it in my Downloads section. So once this loads up, I just choose the PBIX file, click here on Open, and it will actually begin opening the file. Okay, so while this is opening up, I'll show you the other way. You just have your File Explorer open, and here I have the PBIX file, right? So I can just double click on it, and as you can see, the type is Microsoft Power BI desktop document. If you don't see that, then you can just right click on Open With, and I want you to just go ahead and choose Microsoft Power BI desktop as the app. You can always toggle this one on and use this app to open the PBIX files, okay? So I'll go ahead and undo this for now. And all you need to do now is enter your email address, continue, and it would open it up in Power BI. And there you go, it's opening up. Really that easy and simple.